21 types of beams. Reinforced concrete beams. It is constructed from concrete and reinforcement as shown in figure. Sometimes reinforced concrete beam is concealed in reinforced concrete slabs and it is called hidden beam or concealed beam. Precast concrete beam. This type of beam is manufactured in factories, so the construction condition is more controllable compared with on-site construction. Consequently, the quality of the concrete of the beam would be greater. Girders. Beams that take heavy loads, generally steel sections, are used. Deep beam. A deep beam has considerable depth as shown and its clear span to depth ratio is less than 4 as per ACI code. A load is carried to the supports by a compression force combining the load and the reaction. Tapered beam. Beam with tapered cross section. Composite beams. Composite beams are constructed from two or more different types of materials such as steel and concrete. T-section beams. This type of beam is mostly constructed monolithically with the reinforced concrete slab. Sometimes isolated T-beam is built to increase the compression strength of concrete. Timber beams. The timber beam is constructed from timber and used in the past. However, the application of such a beam in the construction industry is significantly declined now. Curved beams. Beam with curved profile, such as in the case of circular buildings. Straight beams. Beams with straight profile, and the majority of beams in structures are straight beams. Cast in situ concrete beam. This type of beam is constructed on the project site, so forms are initially fixed, then fresh concrete is poured and allowed to harden. Then loads would be imposed. Simply supported beam. It is one of the simplest structural elements that both ends rest on support but is free to rotate. It contains pinned support at one end and a roller support at the other end. Fixed beams. It is supported at both ends and fixed to resist rotation. It is also called a built-in beam. Cantilever beams. If a beam is fixed at one end and said to be free at the other end, it is termed as cantilever beam. Cantilever beams allow the creation of a bay window, balconies and some bridges. Continuous beams. A continuous beam has more than two supports distributed along its entire length.